Hey, hi, Ria. Hey, can you please, hello?
Yeah,
Hey, can you please show what's the issue? Pianshu is also in the call. Pianshu
yeah.
is not able to add a certain question, maybe a sub passage. Can you just help Ria?
See, basically, ना, like सौम्या uploads the questions. तो अब नॉर्मली हम लोग पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस अभी तक डालते हैं, सैट में डालते हैं. तो उस पैसेज से बाकी सारे सब पार्ट्स रिलेटेड रहते हैं, राइट? बट
Okay.
सारे क्वेश्चंस में ऐसा नहीं है. पार्ट ए इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम पार्ट बी, पार्ट बी इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम पार्ट सी, और
But
उसके अंदर सब पार्ट्स है.
passage is same or passage different?
पैसेज इज नॉट देयर. तो कैसे अपलोड करना है वो फिगर आउट नहीं हो रहा था. लाइक इफ यू सी द पेपर दैट आई हैव सेंट यू, वन के अंदर पार्ट ए है, फिर पार्ट वन है. देयर आर फ्यू डायग्राम्स, कभी डायग्राम है कभी नहीं है. तो कैसे करना है, लाइक वी आर नॉट एबल टू फिगर इट आउट. अभी हमने ट्राई नहीं किया है, बट जो जनरल पैटर्न है उसके हिसाब से वी वर नॉट एबल टू फिगर इट आउट.
Okay.
या
Look at the question. 1A, B. Question? WhatsApp किया ना? Got it, Ria. So you want to discuss about the same thing, right?
देयर वर फ्यू मोर थिंग्स. दिस
Related to question
प्रॉब्लम,
heading.
दिस तो केम लाइक इन द इवनिंग. उसके पहले देयर वर फ्यू थिंग्स, अदर थिंग्स
Related to.
related to student, like assign जब करते हैं worksheets and everything, so something related to that.
Okay, so you do you understand the current
Yeah,
student
yeah.
assignment?
Like I had a
Okay.
suggestion, like first the question and a suggestion, so I was about to talk on the same.
Yeah. If you want, we can talk. That's the goal of this office hours. Okay.
No issues, no issues. So
So
basically my question was this ki, when we assign any particular worksheet which is not a part of journey, like we are assigning it directly, so are the students getting any notification on their emails?
currently not, but that's a system we are trying to build that eventually you can run your operational workflows as well. Okay. So they can receive the emails, notifications, and anything as such, or weekly summary. So
Okay, I
that's
was actually wanting this key when as soon as we are like emails are linked. This is not an app, so app based notification to nahi jayega, but since emails are linked, so I was assuming कि
it's
अगर
going
email.
to be there very soon. Not just that, even weekly summary or notification kind of agent, which you can set the rule that okay, notify them say 1 day before the assignment is due. Okay,
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
you have still not done. So something like that, and you can build your own notification agents for different use cases. But for assignment, I guess more or less we have got permission from all the organization that it's better to send the summary. That sorry, send an email that there's a new assignment assigned to you.
Right, right. Yeah.
Yeah, and also we are coming up with future integrations where you can integrate your own email SMTP servers and run your own marketing thing or WhatsApp APIs as well, so that you can, if you want to send through WhatsApp, it's up to you.
Okay.
So,
So I'll
okay,
expect that in future release.
not future as very long future, maybe in this quarter is we are going to work on integrations.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
All right.
Any other question to you apart from this question extraction thing? I've shown Pianshu, this is not a very straightforward question. We'll discuss internally. We will communicate to you. Okay.
Oh, okay. I had one question. Let me try to remember one thing I had more. I'm not able to remember. There were two questions initially, including this three. So one I'm skipping right now.
Okay. If you remember, you can just WhatsApp me or we can
Yeah, yeah,
discuss on WhatsApp.
yeah. Sure.
Okay. Okay. Hey, Bill, how are you?
Hey Piyush, how are you doing?
All good, all good. Hey, I know you are struggling with login. I know it's very, very unique because if people are not able to log in, my phones will be ringing like anything. That's not happening, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah,
Can you share your
exactly.
screen can you share your screen and show to us what is happening
So it's
so that we have.
particularly it's not happening for me. A couple of team members and me, we are logged in. It's all set up both for the admin and personal accounts. It's happening for
Mhm.
some students and for particularly two team members who are just we were testing it with them and they couldn't log in. And I, it's the screenshot I sent you that the error they get an issue with. Yeah.
Can any of those team members can also join this meeting?
Okay. Actually, yeah. Let me add them in.
Yeah, yeah, please ask them. Hey, hi, Baneet.
Hey, how are you?
All good, man. Hey, Kushal is traveling to Minneapolis. That's why I'm not able to confirm to you. Uh, Maybe if he's back because, by the way, happy 4th of July, guys. So I guess you're
Thank you,
having a
thank
good
you.
week. So uh, I guess Kushal is also trying to have a vacation, kind of taking a day break from work. But once he's also back, I'll definitely speak with you, both of us.
Yeah, I had one more doubt. The order of the questions. ये डाउट था लाइक इफ यू सी द मॉक्स जो बच्चों के होते हैं द एकेडमिक वन सो देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर लाइक क्वेश्चन वन हैज टू बी इन अ पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट एंड हम लोग इंटरनली जो फाइल प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं वो उसी तरीके से बट व्हाइल
Mhm.
क्रिएटिंग द प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट और स्ट्रक्चर टेस्ट इज देयर एनी मेथड और एल्गोरिथम दैट वी शुड फॉलो कि वो उसी ऑर्डर में आए क्योंकि डेटाबेस में तो इट्स द रिवर्स 10th क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट अपीयर होगा राइट वो
Right.
लेटेस्ट वाला ऊपर दिखाता है तो भाई
It looks, I got your issue. We have tried to solve it via display order, but that's not the best way. We have decided to come up with once you add all the questions in the select question database, right? When you are creating a test, so there each questions will have that drag and drop. That if you want to, even some couple of questions has gone here and there while creating, so you can drag drop and create set that order basically. So I guess Aditya is working on that, and you know this basically drag and drop in UI, very popular UI, right? So that kind of UI will be there.
okay so till then any possible solution that we can do
You add the question, you add the first question first, second question second.
while
It will
ticking
follow
right
while taking.
okay ठीक
Apart from that, any other question, Dia? You I remember
no
the any?
only these questions were there from my side
Okay, okay. Disable had question. Yep. So the format of this office hours, guys, just can let you know is it's open. We'll be sitting here working. People can walk in. You can ask questions. If you want to stay in call, if somebody comes and asks relevant questions, you can stay. But or maybe after 20 minutes, if you still feel that I have one doubt. So this is a way to interact with the entire team and understand. Maybe a good question can come from other company as well. But this is like a very walk in, walk out kind of uh, event office hours. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
Hey, hi, Reddit.
hi Piyush. So Radit is one of our team members who was struggling to
Yeah.
with the same thing.
Log in.
That was the screen I actually sent you. So she's gonna share her screen now and show you the.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what we figured out is through Chrome it works one
What
of the teams, but when it's Safari, the web browser is Safari, it's when there's an issue.
or is it? Have you guys tested in Safari? Is it working for us?
It was working perfectly fine.
She clicks
We'll
on
test
continue,
both.
and then it shows this error.
And this is Safari, right? I can see the icon. So it looks like Safari icon, right?
Yeah, this is Safari.
But when Reddit is trying to log in via Chrome, she's able to log in.
Yes, but the email took a while actually. Uh, the email took a while, but yeah, she's finally able to log in through Chrome.
Interesting. Kushal, anyone, can you just try from your iPhones if is it the
No, I
same
mean,
issue?
I guess I was telling Raja this is an issue. Even I faced the same issue yesterday.
So Kushal, what's the problem? Maybe this needs to be acted upon immediately because Abel, by the way, is founder of Atheo College Prep. Okay, this
Hey,
is the
well,
first time you guys are. And Abel, Kushal is my co-founder and CEO, and Abel is expecting to enroll around 100 kids just I guess tomorrow. And with this kind of uh, interference between the sign-up process, this might hurt him, and that has been concerned since the afternoon.
I'll look it up, Piyush. I think I'll just touch base with Raja. This is it's an issue I faced as well.
Okay.
Signing in one of our customers' portal.
Yes.
So I've already
Okay.
noted this.
So Abel, definitely we acknowledge your issue and maybe give us another 3-4 hours. We'll respond to it.
Okay. So both, just to clarify, also if the email thing could be looked at, that would be great. Not just this Firebase error, but also the email there was a delay in the email. Not just for Reddit, but also for some students. For who we sent the link to us as a demo. There was I don't know, one day or like a couple of like 10-hour, something like that delay. So if you could also look at that, that would be great.
What's the
Okay.
delay? Abel, like, can you go back?
Their names?
So when you
No,
send
he,
the link, when you send the link for the diagnostic test,
Oh no, the link to the site. So it's learn.ethiocollegeprep.com.
Yeah. So Kushal, what the problem is mentioning, maybe Abel, you can correct me if I understood correctly or not. When students are trying to log in, continue with email, okay, the email that they receive with magic link, he's mentioning that it's getting delayed or moving to spam. I guess that we have not yet added, right? DKIM yet. Even I have not added. Can we look into that? Maybe that can be the reason.
No, but it's not going in spam, right? It's arriving 10 hours late. So that's a different issue.
Well, actually, both. It goes to spam, and then also there's a delay. Even for Reddit, it went to spam when she was using Chrome.
Hmm.
Okay. I'll actually spam is we are trying to fix that issue, but why it's getting delayed, I have a few ideas. I'll actually talk to engineering team after this, and just try to kind of get that into order, uh, uh, right away.
Okay.
Okay. Abel, apart from this, anything major issues that you are facing currently?
Mm, okay, let me just check with the other teammate on our login process. I think she discovered another when trying to use uh, actual email instead of using logging through Google. Right now, actually, before joining the meeting, let me quickly check and get back to you.
Yeah,
5 seconds.
yeah, sure.
ये वाला document settings का है सर, अब block हो जा रहा है.
So, Abel, one thing we figure out currently that
Okay.
by default in Safari, if you go to settings, browser settings, uh,
Mhm.
the backup feature is enabled. Okay, if that is enabled, it cannot let you log in currently. So,
Oh.
I guess they need to disable the modal because it opens up the modal, right, for pop-up.
So that's for Safari.
Yeah, for Safari, that's default. You can just go to your settings. You can see. Uh, I'm just taking screenshot as.
Yeah. So and yeah, the unique thing we saw email launch, email link, email culture. On a unique thing we saw to Piyush is that it says click here to finish logging in for the other teammate I was telling you about, but there's no clickable link.
Can you just click here where it is just showing click here?
Yeah, that's what we're trying.
It's
Here,
not. Can you
the whole
can you mark
Mhm.
that as report not spam on top?
oh,
Report not spam. It will go back to inbox. The last one.
oh, okay. So, okay, we're
I
seeing. No, it's here.
yeah, it's issue with spam. Let us maybe mark it करना ही पड़ेगा मुझे.
Okay. So I mean, people will probably have this issue. So it's going to be report not spam if it goes to spam. And for browser settings, they just need to do uh, disable the pop-up or no, enable the pop-up, right?
Yeah, for email spam, we are working on the same. We'll see maybe hopefully by tomorrow this should land in the inbox itself.
Okay. Right. Yeah, I mean, even if it's spam is manageable, we can really just clarify to them that it might go to spam. I think the Firebase issues through Safari is one that might hold up a bit more.
Yeah. Yeah.
Spam curable.
इसका भी एक ऐप है कि वो स्क्रीनशॉट के साथ
Yeah, so these are mainly the issues up here. So
Okay. Noted, Abel. We'll work on it immediately. We have figured out what's the major cause. Okay.
okay, perfect.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
I'll respond to you, Abel, once it is fixed.
Sounds
I'll
good.
respond to you. Okay.
Perfect. Looking forward to it. All right. Bye,
Sure.
guys.
Bye, guys.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Abel. Yep. Bye-bye. Have you guys looked into this Firebase error, Aditya?
This which one exactly? This
But
Firebase,
like,
the
why Safari will give us an issue? I'm not able to. Like, it was working previously, right?
Yeah, even just tried on my thing as well. It was working fine. It's just the settings that blocks the pop-up of some folks don't know.
When we look into the service, I guess there must be
I
some service where it validates
I'm
Safari
not
works.
sure. Like, check properly, because yesterday who was the other institute, Piyush, whose data we were looking. Like, try customer
Data,
site, not our LearnQ site.
yeah,
I faced the issue in while signing up.
I guess quest for success is what I don't know. But the domains are added in Firebase as authorized domains, because I'm the one who, when I create the portal, I always add, because without that, login will not happen.
What was the site? I'm not sure. I think VEGA Visionaries portal. I faced that same issue yesterday. Aditya, can you please change this thing that after like kind of opening the Gmail or like Google model, you are sending them back to the login screen? Can we
It's
not
just
send them to login screen? It just creates confusion. I don't know if people are clicking something in the middle just because they thought like, something has happened.
automatically the pop-up closes. It goes back to the previous one, the previous login screen.
Why?
Actually, I need to process things that
No, then just give a blank screen.
yeah, well, but that thing is
Or create some other screen with some background image or something like, we are getting, getting you there.
yeah. This thing wasn't
Hey, can
happening
you can we
before.
Amit, can you just build something like, maybe some generic image of like the user portal or something? I think you already had created something. Like a blank page with maybe some marketing stuff, and just redirect to that page. It is
हाँ,
very
page में
confusing. I will tell you, it actually kind of, keeps it comes back, and at least for 4-5 seconds or more, it stays to that page. People may be getting confused and sending maybe multiple login requests. I don't know if that is leading to Firebase errors. Like, it's confusing to me. I don't know if it is how it is not confusing to you guys. Sending it back to login screen. Please make a push to that change. Like, we should not be sending them back to the same login screen. Yep, Vega Visionary, I just got again like a Firebase error. And now I'm in the onboarding stuff uh, with, I think they have turned on the phone number verification.
Prospect. तो आप ही बारे में पैसा जानते हैं, मतलब हमें मन था बोलने का, तुम ही पैसा बनाने का कुछ होगा, हम लोग भी अनलॉक करने का पीछे डाल सकते हैं कि भाई कौन लाइक किया हमने पैसा। यदि मैं एक कौन तो फाइल बुक किया पैसा तो फिर वही 4,000 5,000 महीना
होता तो है ही।
पीयूष, इसमें जो ये फीचर आ रहा है वो बोल रहा था यहाँ पे चेंजेस मांगने के लिए कि इसमें, ये तो अब सारा इधर अंदर शिफ्ट हो रहा है ना।
तो इसको ये
इनकम्प्लीट टेस्ट जैसे इसमें अब है वो इसमें चेक कर रहा है, कल जो बता रहा था।
नहीं,
लेकिन हमने जो भी नए चेंजेस लाए हैं वो एक मिनट, वो यहाँ लाए हैं, जैसे कि वो मांग रहा था कि स्टेटस दिखना चाहिए, किसने वो वेरीफाइड
आइडियली बाय
expired
डिफॉल्ट
होगा।
कंप्लीटेड होगा, यहाँ पे इनकम्प्लीट टेस्ट यहीं पे आ जाएगा।
हाँ, वो रह गया। तो उसमें मतलब फिर मैं यही करूँ ना, जो क्योंकि उसने काफी सारी चीजें इसमें बोली थी, फिर एक ने तो पहले भी
इसमें नहीं, यहाँ पे बस आएगा, शुभम बोलेगा कि यहाँ पे बस दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन हैज बीन मूव्ड अंडर ऑपरेशंस, और ऑपरेशंस के अंदर में अंडर एनालिटिक्स। कुशल, वन मोर थिंग, आई गेस मनी थिंग्स होते हैं। And in user side, we write insights, and admin side we've written analytics. Any particular reason, or is it just
No, it should be insights. It's just it hasn't changed. Aditya, just note it, man. That we need to change it to, because that page is actually becoming insights now that we are adding recommendations there as well. And then my plan is to add the study plan and the weekly summary in those pages. In fact, even like all the chat summaries that students are doing as well, like high level chat summary. I think that page should be named insights. It's not no longer just analytics.
And Kushal, can we do also one thing, because a lot of customers are asking me, since we are showing like how many pack questions you have practiced or time, like chat utilization, like out of say 1,200.
No, Priyanshu. Chat utilization, chat summary. I think we people are now interested in like what kind of chats are happening, and what AI is understanding and summary from those
अभी
chats.
मत करो।
हाँ, तो इसके बारे में डिस्कशन सुबह पीयूष से हुआ था, हम उस पर काम कर रहे हैं। पीयूष ऑल्सो सजेस्टेड कि मतलब प्रैक्टिस विद एवेटार का एक अपना टैब होना चाहिए, और रिव्यू विद एआई का मतलब अपना एक ये टैब होना चाहिए कि रिव्यू विद प्रैक्टिस विद एवेटार में कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स को वो कवर किया और किस डिफिकल्टी का, मतलब समरी में हम लोग वहां पे शो कर दिए, और डिफिकल्टी भी क्या फेस किया वो भी शो कर दिए, कहाँ सही किया गलत किया सब तो हम लोग दिखाए बता ही सकते हैं चैट को एनालाइज करके।
इतना ज्यादा एनालाइज नहीं करना है। I think the thing that I'm liking is like it has to be just one line summary, not much. Not
ठीक है,
like
अगर वन लाइन
people have no time to go through tons of stuff. Like we need to understand, like everybody in this world now wants TLDR. Give me TLDR, क्या है, and I will move on. They don't want like line by line every detail. Like of all the chats they are doing, what is the TLDR? Give me one line TLDR. I'm done.
ठीक है। और अब हम अभी तक जो बना रहे थे वो लास्ट 7 days का डेटा कैप्चर कर रहे थे, वो सही रहेगा वीकली?
Let's talk about it after this call, like separately, like what, because I think the dashboard, like Amit and I had built one like newer dashboard for you for all these institutes, which captures chat summary, which captures all the other things. It captures multiple courses as well. But I think there is way more scope of improvement now that multiple institutes are on multiple courses, and they are demanding very different data sets from us. And in fact, like one thing I was telling Amit, like the current dashboard that we have, that should be the dashboard for admin. Like Baneet has been asking for all this traffic data, like and sign up data kind of stuff, right? There are other people who are wanting chat history data, like at least what is the chat count. So that part is added in this newer thing. But like what I said to you the other day, like when a teacher is logging in, maybe they should only see their student and like high level summary, like a TLDR, one line summary of every student. like actionable, like list of students. This is what you need to do with whom, or maybe some sort of even categorization like red zone, highest priority. These are the kids. This is the summary. Yellow zone, green zone, like so that we even prioritize for them that these are the kids you really need to, focus your attention on. And like this is one line summary, like actionable item, one line about where they are lacking, one line about next action you should take. 2 lines, nothing much. And again, these 2 lines cannot be too big. Like ask AI to be very specific, prioritize, and give like very, very, like yeah, like very succinct but actionable summary.
That is
Okay.
happening.
So yeah, but like categorization of student also, like red, yellow. So that could be just the teacher's dashboard, right? Like when a teacher is coming in, they're just seeing all the students across different batches, high level. That's their dashboard. Or maybe their classes as well that they're scheduled. Those are evolution of that dashboard in future. We don't have to work on that. But I think right now, high level summary is good. And then for admins, I think the current dashboard that we have worked on is good, but maybe we can evolve it little better. Like add some of this data that people are asking in that format. Maybe that will bring in some happiness to people. Okay.
Yes.
And in fact, it will even show them, how much utilization is happening. I feel like people like the thing that you're talking about, right? Many folks are not even appreciating that how much doubt resolution maybe is happening behind the scene.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah, people need to. That's what. No, like I was talking to a B2B student from Dubai today. Like I asked her in any ways, like what's the feedback? Like definitely 2 prompts, what even we use in demos and all. Like where did I go wrong, and give similar question to practice. That becomes the very go-to after prompt for her, because these are curious kids who worked hard for scoring good, and they want to learn where they went wrong. And if they went wrong, understood where they went wrong, they need to. These kids are also challenging, like they accept challenges and they try to solve a new question to see whether they have got it or not. So if we have definitely data built on this, that this itself is a very reducing so much time. Not even things that are possible for a teacher at scale.
Please, did we get ET as well today?
Yes, that's why that post was there, because Alan asked that immediately post before that, because it should not be like it is referring something which we never announced. So it will give you already a photo, you announce it, and then write to media articles and all. They will cover it. So
Okay.
we have got it covered finally. It has all the backlinks in place.
एक ये डिलीट का बटन में नहीं है अकाउंट डिलीट का अभी वर्क है लर्न की मैं अकाउंट डिलीट करने
I
का
was about to share with you guys on, like, we can all comment over here.
वो बोल रहे हैं कि कस्टमर की हमारा डिलीट कर दो मेल करके ऐड ही कर दो फीचर अगर हो सकता मतलब जब भी प्रायोरिटी हो जैसे तुम्हारा
Aditya, delete is important. As I told you, it's against laws.
या
You know, and remember, deleting means, I guess, Raja, I don't know if he's there. Deleting is only like their PII data getting deleted.
yes I'm marking the user to delete it. That's it.
So, Kushal,
And-
so, yeah, please.
And removing the same user in customer.io so there's no future communication goes. Okay. Like those are two steps because I think it has happened in past. Yeah, go ahead. बोलो क्या बोल रहे थे पीयूष?
ये बोल रहे थे कि एलन का ना एक बार अगर आपको टाइम मिले तो एक डेडिकेटेड ना लिखते हैं और ये इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स आ गया है तो इसको हम पीटीआई और मीडिया वायर से हम राउट कराते हैं। आई गेस अभी हम अपने ऊपर लेते हैं टास्क के। ठीक है,
Okay, perfect.
एलन का अगर डेडिकेटेड पोस्ट अगर लिख पाने टाइम मिलता है तो वो भेजिए, फिर उसको हम मतलब कवर कराते हैं मीडिया में प्रॉपर डेडिकेटेड। मतलब पहले रिव्यू करा लेंगे एलन से और उसके बाद एक डेडिकेटेड पीआर चला जाएगा।
ठीक है। Abhay, can you work on few ideas here? I feel like again Alpha School is a good example. You know, they've been doing a lot of PR and they are focusing on a lot of different angles. And I think in a way our product is similar. I feel like Alpha School is maybe a little bit more vertically integrated. They're building the tech and the school together. But I think we can use maybe one of the like some of the angles there.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay. I will also otherwise look up and you know maybe Alan should go something like Alpha School.
Mm-hmm. These are ideas to basically publish this PR article, right?
One more like just dedicated as Pius is asking, like just focused on Alan.
ठीक है. Piyush bhai, also that Imperial College वाले जो professor थे, he has asked to add some questions. उन्होंने PDF भेजा है अपना एक. Sorry, कुशल भैया बोलना था मुझे. कुशल भैया, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I saw that. I have to actually ask him a few things.
हाँ, ये ऐड हो रहा है. बस थोड़ा सा ये दिक्कत है ना कि उनके जो क्वेश्चंस तो फॉर्मेटिंग बहुत ऊपर टांगा है, कुछ भी लिखा हुआ है, कॉपी पेस्ट. हाँ, कुछ वैसा सही लग रहा था, लेकिन वो एक्सट्रैक्ट कर पा रहा है, मैंने देखा. मेन क्वेश्चंस
वही वो
निकाल पा रहा है.
फॉर्मेटिंग का इशू मेरे को भी दिख रहा था एक्चुअली. अब आई वाज गोना रिस्पोंड टू हिम दैट can there be a better version or can we get looks like he has tried to download from some portal that they're using currently.
Right.
And you know maybe the formatting is all over the place, so maybe they can give us access to that portal and we can just take screenshots and that would be better.
Yeah, that would be better. Also मैंने ट्राई करके देखे थे वो, मतलब एक्सट्रैक्ट करके. What I've seen is like एकदम सही एक्सट्रैक्शन किया था for just questions. तो लाइक उसमें अगर आप जाके क्वेश्चंस में देखेंगे राइट पीडीएफ में, तो उसमें कुछ ऊटपटांग इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी लिखे हुए हैं कि इफ यू हैव लाइक रेड दिस देन डू दिस, इफ नॉट देन डू दिस, लेफ्ट राइट क्लिक एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। बट जो मेन क्वेश्चन है ना, उसमें सब कुछ इग्नोर करके सिर्फ मेन क्वेश्चन उठाया है, एंड सॉल्यूशन इज आल्सो करेक्ट। जो 2-3 मैंने क्वेश्चन किए थे, एंड इट वाज बेसिक मैथ्स क्वेश्चन, बट उसने अच्छा किया है, अच्छा एक्सट्रैक्ट किया है।
इंफॉर्मेटिव हो गया। लग रहा है कि नहीं पता प्राइवेसी
Okay, I guess we can drop now. We can connect later. Yeah, bye guys, bye Kushal, bye Baneet. Baneet will connect if you're listening to us. Okay.
He's not.
चलो ठीक है guys. But ये राजा और engineering team है क्या? ये login issue we need to fix.
निकल गया राजा, लॉगिन इशू फिक्स हो गया। राजा थोड़ी देर में कनेक्ट करेगा, उसको कुछ काम
क्या
करेगा।
था issue आदित्य?
इशू कुछ नहीं है, मतलब वही थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है। I don't know why Firebase is taking little longer time to create users. So what I've done is making the page more informative. That's all. Like
ये
now
वापस
this button is, at least like it is
yeah,
little
like
bit of
once the
informative.
modal comes back, right? Like we need to move it back to a new page.
Hmm? Oh, it's
So this happened quickly, but I think I
Mhm.
think look into our customer portal, not LearnQ. You know, there are a lot of Firebase errors. I don't know why happening there. Even I was not realizing this until like Piyush and Raja sent me VEGA Visionary, and then I had to look up the data. I had to sign up, and then sign up failed, and it hadn't failed when I refreshed, then it went through. But it brought me back.
at that VEGA Visionary, it worked completely fine with my.
हुआ एंड भी ऐड करो, कर दूं इसमें क्या हुआ एंड भी ऐड करो इसमें। वो बोल रहा था एक
वो स्क्रीन हटा करके ना मे बी वहां पे ना कोई डमी स्क्रीन बना दो, वी आर गेटिंग यू लॉग्ड इन, बड़ा बड़ा मे बी प्लीज वेट इफ यू आर वेटिंग
Okay.
इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग बैक। और लाइक अगर अमित कुछ ऐसा ढंग का बनाता है कि वर्ल्ड ऑफ योर सक्सेस स्टार्ट्स हियर or something, कुछ उस टाइप का मोटिवेशनल मैसेज, एंड देन प्लीज वेट while we are logged, get you to whatever, our universe or whatnot, like some sort of gaming.
Expected this model, Firebase model, but it's
कुछ हो रहा है यहाँ पे, वही मतलब आई थिंक एक बार देखना पड़ेगा ये फायरबेस में।
राजा थोड़ी देर में कनेक्ट करेगा, कुछ बात हुआ था, वो तब डिटेल लोग के बैठो उसके साथ में, इसको डिबग करो प्रॉपर। ठीक है,
until on the campus pushing this one.
हाँ तो अभी तक क्लिक करो।
लॉगिन का जो स्क्रीन बनाया था उसमें
वही तब तक के लिए ना एटलीस्ट उसको बैक नहीं करो वापस से उस मेन साइन अप स्क्रीन पे, उसको कुछ नए स्क्रीन पे लेके चले जाओ, एक डमी स्क्रीन पे।
डैशबोर्ड
ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, चलो गाइस। अबे हम रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसको, ठीक है, जो इशू है। ओके, कैन यू सेंड मी द एग्जांपल दैट यू एक्सट्रैक्टेड?
मैं हूँ मीटिंग में, बताइए।
नहीं, अबे वो एग्जांपल जो तुमने एक्सट्रैक्ट किया ना, मेरे को भेज दो खाली व्हाट्सएप पे, मैं उसको खाली अटैच कर दूंगा कि वी आर एबल टू डू इट करेक्टली when it is just question, but we need maybe proper access. This file has a lot of like formatting issues.
लॉगिन स्क्रीन में जो कुशल हमने डिस्कस किया था स्लाइडर, वो स्लाइडर ही कह रहे हो ना वो बनाए, या कुछ और अब इंफॉर्मेशन दूसरी और बनाए?
This is just like a dummy screen, like we are getting you logged in, kind of, please wait, या something, कुछ maybe motivational message. पीयूष है ही वहाँ पे, कुछ वैसा कि मतलब,
मतलब
you
प्रोसेस
welcome to future of learning. Please wait while we get you there. some कुछ dummy screen बस बीच में, ज्यादा नहीं दिमाग लगाओ, बिल्कुल बस छोटा सा. It's a screen so that they are not confused that मेरा login नहीं हुआ है.
ठीक है,
Okay, चलो
ओके.
चलो, bye guys.
अरे वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेटर नहीं भाई.
आज नहीं पिछले साल पे
ये जो
मेरा कुछ पता नहीं आज वो उठा मैं करते हैं तो बैच वाला मैं बहुत है बैठना में दिक्कत हो रहा है फ्राइडे को
अरे यार वो क्वेश्चन कहाँ गए?
नहीं होटल का खत्म हो गया बैठ एकदम सॉफ्ट
मीटिंग में हूँ क्या? हाँ